Our first experiment is entirely qualitative. We're just going to have you play around with the solar cell with an LED. You can pick really any of the LEDs you want. It's hard to even tell what the colors they are, but just like, remember, our LEDs had a polarity, which meant the long leg was positive and the short leg was negative. It turns out your solar cells actually have polarity as well. So the red leg is positive and the black leg is negative. So to make this one light up an LED, and I'm just using an incandescent light bulb for photography above me, which is why it's a little brighter than normal. So I'm just hooking the red up to the long leg, which is positive, and I'm going to hook the black up to the short leg, which is negative. Now if your LED doesn't light, try a different color. So in this case, you can see that I've grabbed a blue LED. I might recommend against the blue LED because it's actually kind of one of the hardest ones to make work. So I'm going to try just a different color here. You can play around and try to figure out which colors are which. So here's a red LED, and so I can see it's lit. So but you can use the blue LED if you want. Pick one that you like. So what you're going to do is you're going to try to just qualitatively figure out, can you make the light bulb dimmer? Can you make the light bulb brighter? Just try a whole bunch of things, right? You can try, figuring out what happens if can I make it dimmer but still lit? And you're just going to describe what's happening. It's very hard to see, but it's lit a little bit. So just play around, try different configurations, and just kind of write down your qualitative observations.